Okay, I'm going to try to do a kill switch illustration for you here. This is a universal kill switch gotten online, and there it is. You just mount it somewhere on the front of the motor where the tiller handle comes out. Then you take a meter, and I'm hand holding everything, so you just find the two that are shorted, and then when the lanyard hook is put in position, which should hook to your PFD. Now, go back to the same two terminals. I was going to try to show you with it. But anyway, go back to the same two terminals, and there won't be any connection at this point. This is a Tohatsu, so it's a shorting application. So there, now it's open, and if you pull it off, it'll be closed. Like I say, this is a pretty cheap little item. You can buy this switch. It doesn't cost a fortune. Next thing you got to do is the leads are right there for the kill. The polarity is not important. And a little meter. You can just use a bulb and a battery, or a buzzer and a battery. And the factory connections, it's two different kinds of connections here. So you just take your a lugging tool, and I don't have it here, and you just skin the end of the wire back and crimp the appropriate ends on it. Trying to hold the ends up there. There's that end that goes on the switch, and then a couple little bullets go on the. They're hard to show in that light, and it's not the best. But anyway, there's your bullets. So you make up a little connector. It goes between the wire and the switch, and you mount the switch up there. That's all there is to it. Now, on some other applications, they didn't have a push button that killed the motor. So what you have to do is mount the switch in series with one of the ignition wires, the low voltage wires, and then it'll break the connection when you pull the lanyard. And in my case, it shorts the connection, and it grounds out the ignition. But it's either going to be a breaks the connection or shorts the connection, and then you get to live and not get chopped up by a prop if you get thrown off the boat and it runs around in a circle. I'll have some photographs to accompany the article, but like I say, the switch is nothing complicated, and you just make a little jumper. Hopefully that was enough, and I'm going to shut it down.